Hardy geraniums like geranium phaeum can look a little bit untidy after they've finished flowering, like this one that has flopped over the path. But if you chop them hard back right down to the ground, they'll put on a new flush of growth in a matter of weeks. It's not too late to get some kale going for winter. I like to start mine off in a tray of compost which I water beforehand. Sprinkle the seed over the top and lightly cover with a fine layer of compost. Germination will only take a few days and there's no need to provide any heat. To spruce up your garden and help prevent grass from invading your borders, it's worth giving the lawn edges a regular trim. I use a pair of long-handled shears for the job, but garden shears would work just as well.